Got this lock from Zombie Lock the other day. It's a Texas gem lock. See, there's the bitting. Smooth lock. And let's see if we can get this picked open tonight. Locked up. I picked this last night a couple times. Took me 15-20 minutes. I didn't figure y'all wanted to watch me pick at it for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna try to knock the time down a little tonight. Click on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, click on 4, nothing on 5, and click on 6. Nothing on 1, 2 or 3. There's a click on, I think that was 3. Nothing was on 2. Little turn on the core off of 3. I think that's 5. Nothing on 5. Turn and click off of 6. Nothing on 1. Slight turn off of 2. 3 set. 4 set, I think. 5 set. I'm gonna throw them again. Counter there off 2. There we go. Something 4. Let's see. Pick here. I think we got it. No 5. 6 fail. There, open off of 6. All right. Zoom it out. That is open. All right. Let's see if we can take it apart without making a mess now. Stuff out of the way. Looks like serrated. So the plug is all threaded. The plug. I need to use these tweezer zombie lock give me. Try them out. I'm gonna go through these pins in a second. Show you what they are. Like there's some shorter springs in here. No? No, I don't think they are. See if there's anything in the Bible here. Don't think there's any threading in the Bible. No, Bible don't look like any modifications in the Bible. And just threaded, no counter milling. Let's take a closer look at these pins. Number one is serrated key pin, standard driver. Two is a serrated key pin with a kind of a spool type. Serrated key pin with a, what it is, like a barrel. It's another barrel type serrated key pin. Serrated key pin with another one of those barrel types. And this one is just a serrated key pin. Alright, there's that lock from Texas Gem Lock from Zombie Lock. Thank you, Zombie. I appreciate it. It was a fun little pick. And be legal. God bless. Thanks for watching.